The Qvest Change Maturity Model shows how your organization or team can be at 4 different culture stages. At the first stage, you have 5% of the people working in your organization planning a change. It's typically senior management. 95% of your organization is being inactive. That's middle managers and employees who don't even know about the change yet. At the second level, at the second stage, you have 20% of the people working in your organization. Now middle managers and staff are being engaged in communicating and implementing the change. You still have 80% of the people working in your organization who are not engaged in the change, but now they're being reactive. That means that they respond to the questions you ask about the change and they listen to what you communicate. The third level is crucial. That's when you have 80% of the people working in your organization joining conversations about the change. People engage and they commit because they want to be part of the change. At the fourth stage, in the final stage, you have a proactive organization. That's where people collaborate on driving change. You have people working cross-functionally and sometimes even co-creating with customers on solving problems and driving change together. Now, the problem with this model is not how the different stages work. The problem is that we often think that we can go from an inactive or reactive stage to a proactive stage. We all want to work in an organization where everybody is being proactive. And we think we can just make that leap of faith and saying, well, we know we have consultants that help us developing strategies. We have tools that help us conduct surveys, and we can just skip all this interaction where people actually talk about the change and commit and connect to each other. That's not possible. So that's why we developed and we designed Qvest to nurture and to cultivate all these one-on-one interactions that determines how people think and act in your organization, and therefore are the only way that you can drive a proactive change and have a proactive organization.